I will show you how to create this flower, which I created for the baby cardigan Tenderness. So I will show you in just one color, but of course you can do it in so many colors you like. For this project I'm using this wool with a 3mm crochet hook, but of course you can do it with every hook size you like and every yarn you like. So it's very easy. Slip knot to start, chain 4, slip stitch to join into the first chain, like that. And now you are ready for the first round. Chain 1, enter with your hook into the center of this circle and do single crochet 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, not in the chain but in the first single crochet. You are ready now for the second round. Chain 1, enter again into the very first stitch and do 1 single crochet, into the next one 2 single crochet, into the next one just 1, into the next one 2, 1 and 2. Continue like that till the end of this round. At the end of this round, you'll get finally 18 single crochet. At the end of this round, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, like that. Round number 3. Chain 1, enter again into the very first stitch and single crochet 1. Now chain 3 into the next 1, 2, 3 stitches, 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet for each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Repeat. Chain 3, 3 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3, again single crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, single crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, single crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, single crochet 2 into the last 2 stitches, 1 and 2. You don't need to close close this round slip stitching into the first single crochet, but directly from here you will start the next round. Next round, directly from the last single crochet of previous round, yarn over, insert your hook into the first loop of chain 3 and do 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slip stitch to join into the second of the next 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, into the second slip stitch like that. And now repeat, yarn over into the next chain 3 space, 9 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now slip stitch into the second single crochet below. Continue like that all the way around. At the end of this round, slip stitch to join into the second single crochet below like that, and now your flower is completed and you can cut the yarn.